welcome to Home Cooking with Somjin. Today I'm going to cook broccoli with beef. I have one large piece of broccoli, about 350 grams of beef. I use tenderloin and cut it into very thin slices. Some water, 1 tablespoon of tapioca flour, 3 cloves of garlic chopped, half an inch nub of ginger cut into thin slices, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, half tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing wine or cooking rice wine, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, quarter teaspoon of sesame seed oil, quarter teaspoon of pepper. First, I'm going to start off with mixing all the sauce first. I'm going to put in about 3 tablespoons of water and then pour in the tapioca flour and just mix it. And put it aside. Next, I'm going to mix all the sauce. So we're going to put in light soy sauce in the water, cooking rice wine, oyster sauce, sesame seed oil, and pepper. Going to mix everything together. Alright, done for the sauce, and we're going to put it aside. Heat the pan, and I'm going to put in about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. When oil is getting hot, I'm putting in the garlic. Garlic is nice and brown and crispy, so I'm just going to switch off the heat and take it out from the pan first. Now in the pan we have garlic oil, so I'm going to take some of the garlic oil and put aside. I've left some garlic oil in the pan and I switch on the heat. Now we're going to fry the ginger. Ginger has released a nice fragrance and it turned a bit soft. Now I'm going to pour in the meat. I'm just going to put in about 3 or 4 teaspoons of the sauce that we mixed just now. And we continue to cook the meat. Alright, it's about 1 minute, so the beef is cooked because we cut very thin slices, right? Once the beef change color, is already okay. So I'm going to switch off the heat and remove all the beef from the pan. When we cook the beef, right, there's some juice coming out and the water and all that. We don't want this water, so I'm just going to take only the beef. Now I'm going to blanch the vegetable. So I have hot boiling water here, and for the vegetable I cut it into pieces like this, and I also keep the stem, so I'm going to cook them together. Half tablespoon of salt. Put in the broccoli, the stem, and the broccoli. So I'm going to cover the lid and let it cook for about 1 minute. Alright, vegetable is ready. Now I'm going to scoop it out and put it in the ice water. So immediately I'm going to remove them from the cold water and put in the strainer. I'm going to switch on the heat. We're going to pour in the sauce that we mixed earlier. Put in the garlic oil. Give it a stir and bring it to boil. Alright, the sauce is boiling, so now I can taste it. Nice. It's enough taste, enough flavor, so I don't need to add anything else. At this stage, if you wish to add the seasoning or anything else, then you can do so. But for this, it's already enough. And now I'm going to put in the flour mix that we put just now, just to thicken the sauce. We can switch off the heat. Look at that, it's nice and glossy. And now we can go and dish out and serve. Alright, we're gonna serve it like that. And for the stem, I'm going to put it in the center. The vegetable is nicely arranged. Now we're going to pour the meat at the center. And then for the garlic, we will just sprinkle on top. And last, for the sauce, we're just going to pour over. This kind of dish is best to eat with rice. And the vegetable. Wow, delicious. The meat is tender, the sauce is tasty and flavorful with a nice aroma of ginger and fried garlic, and the vegetable is crunchy. Very nice combination indeed. I give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and remember to subscribe for more of my variety cooking like this. Thank you and bye bye.